The AP question. When a tractor pulls a plow through an agricultural field, the energy needed to pull that plow is called the draft. The draft is affected by environmental conditions such as soil type, terrain, and moisture. A study was conducted to determine whether a newly developed hitch would be able to reduce that draft compared to the standard hitch. A hitch is used to connect the plow to the tractor. 2 large plots of land were used in this study. It was randomly determined which plot was to be plowed using the standard hitch. As the tractor plowed that plot, a measurement device in the tractor automatically recorded the draft of 25 randomly selected points on the plot. After the plot was plowed, the hitch was changed from the standard one to the new one, a process that takes a substantial amount of time. Then, the second plot was plowed using the new hitch. 25 measurements of draft were also recorded at randomly selected points in this plot. A. What was the response variable in the study? Identify the treatment. What were the experimental units? So look at here, the response variable is the draft, the energy needed to pull the plow. The treatments are the standard hitch and the new hitch. The experimental units are the 2 plots. B. Given that the goal of the study is to determine whether a newly developed hitch reduces draft compared to the standard hitch, was randomization used properly in the study? Justify your answer. I said yes, it was. The 2 hitches, the treatments, were randomly assigned to the 2 plots, which are the experimental units. As you can see here, it was randomly determined which plot was to be plowed using the standard hitch. So yes, randomization was used properly. C. Given that the goal of the study is to determine whether a newly developed hitch reduces draft compared to the standard hitch, was replication used properly in the study? Justify your answer. Well, this time, no. Replication was not used properly. The hitches, which are the treatments, were applied to only 1 plot of land each. So the standard one went to 1 plot and the new hitch went to the other. Replication is used to repeat the treatments, hitches, on different experimental units, plots, so a general pattern can be observed. There is no replication in this study. And lastly, D. Plot of land is a confounding variable in this experiment. Explain why. Well, this is what a confounding looks like. An X affects the Y, and C also affects the Y. So here we go. The answer is, although 25 measurements were taken at different locations in the 2 plots, each hitch was used in 1 plot only. Thus, if a difference in the draft is observed, we won't know whether the difference is due to the hitch or the plot. The treatments, which are the hitches, are confounded with the plots.